Dhvani Patel is joining us, founder at Finversify. Dhvani, tell us about your trades. What kind of positioning do you have right now in this kind of a market?
Good afternoon, Ajay. Talking about the index specifically over here, definitely, yes, we are on the bullish side over here. The next mark that we are looking up on Nifty is at 23,500. As we are seeing the derivative data, it's suggesting that call options writing has opened up to those levels. Most importantly, what is noteworthy in these kind of markets is that the support levels are shifting on the higher range. Now, earlier we started with a support zone of 22,300, which is now shifted to 22,800 levels, and it's holding very strong over here in the trades today. Even with Bank Nifty, we are observing the same. There was a certain divergence that we were observing in Bank Nifty for PSU and private sector banking, but then that is being taken off and both are moving in tandem with each other. And in Bank Nifty, the next levels that we are watching out is 49,200. And on the lower side, again, the support levels for Bank Nifty have also shifted on the higher side, where any level that we break on Bank Nifty of 48,600, we would see some bearish profit taking coming in. But till the time 48,600 is holding out, for Bank Nifty, we are holding bullish sides on both the indexes.
Okay, so that's the view coming in as far as the index is concerned. But Dhvani, in terms of the individual stocks, what recommendations come to mind? Are you tilting a lot towards large caps and financials, because that's been the nature of the market over the last couple of days, or is it getting a lot more broad-based today?
It's definitely getting broad-based as we are seeing sector-specific buying, or we are seeing the whole market overall, even the mid-cap, small-cap participating. I have my buy interest in two major counters over here. First one is ACC, where we are seeing that from the lower levels, we have seen buying action coming in. From current level, it's a buy on ACC for a target of 2740 and a stop loss that needs to be strictly maintained at 2604. The next counter that I have on buy list is of TVS Motors. TVS Motors also is running up in trade today, where we are seeing about 2% of a gains coming in over here. Target price has rallied up a little, so I would revise the target on this particular counter. From current levels with a buy, the target price over here goes to 2270, and the stop loss on the lower side that has to be maintained would be of 2180 now.
Okay, those are the top recommendations coming in from Dhvani. Other than that, let me just quickly talk about a couple of these stocks which are buzzing around as well. Vodafone Idea, what's the view on that, Dhvani? And the other one is from the defense and industrial pack, names like HAL as well as Exide Industries. Both are trending higher. What's the view on Vodafone, Exide and HAL?
Yes, absolutely. Talking about Vodafone first over here, the support level is very important in this particular counter, where 12.5 has acted as a good support level, and from there we've seen a constant rise coming in. In fact, 12 rupees 50 has also acted as a point of polarity over here, so it's very significant. From current levels, yes, the bounce is here to sustain for a period of time, where I'm seeing 18 as a target on the higher side, and the stop loss that one needs to trail and maintain over here now is of 13.5. Talking about HAL, it's basically a no-brainer stock. We've been talking about it since a very long time. The stock's always been in an upward rising rally, and it's there to sustain over here. The trailing stop loss that one needs to maintain over here on HAL on the lower side over here would be of 4,700. 47 breaches, we'll see some structural reversal coming in, but till the time we are holding on to HAL with 4,700 levels above, we will be seeing the constant rally coming in on this particular counter as well. And which is the third counter? Could you please just repeat that for me again?
That was the third counter which Anisha had asked about. In fact, it's shot up 5% along with the Amara Raja right now, and that is because Exide does analyst calls once in 6 months, not quarterly. So this is the quarter when they do an analyst call at 3 p.m. today. And ahead of that, both Amara Raja and Exide have actually shot up very smartly. But what's your take on the charts, Dhvani, on both of these?
Yes, absolutely, Ajay. Talking about Exide, we saw a short up rally coming in over here, where the stock made a bottom and then post breakout from 320 levels, we've seen the stock moving up about 480 levels. If it's more of a flag formation on a weekly chart that we're observing over here, and the breakout above 480 is suggesting fresh longs coming in on this particular counter. So hold on to this one. If you do not have a position, then it's time for fresh entries coming in. Support level of 460 has to be maintained over here as a stop loss, and on the high higher side, I'm looking up at a target where even 550 to 600 levels in a near term can be gauged on this particular counter.
All right, Dhvani, thanks very much for that. That was Dhvani Patel from Finversify.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.